Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how you can blur your face or any object you don't want visible in your image or video. If you value your privacy and feel uncomfortable sharing your face or certain objects, or if you need to blur out anything captured by a camera, you can easily do so. Blurring in Canva is simple, and you can even do it with the free version. Let's get straight to the steps on how to do it. Select the image where you want to apply the blur. Then go to Edit and select Tools. Look for All, and here you'll find the Blur option available for free. Select Blur and adjust the intensity and blur size as needed. For example, if I want to blur her face or blur the background in this image, I'm just showing an example. This way, you can blur and maybe this portrait as well. You can experiment with the brush size and intensity settings, and if you want to remove the blur at any time, then just remove it. Simply set the intensity to where the blur effect looks right for you. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment below. I'll be answering all of them. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. It really supports me. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.